Feeling pretty wild. I bought another E36. This silver one behind me right here. It works pretty good. The only thing that sucks about it, it's auto. But yeah, I was gonna part it out, but then I jacked it up and looked underneath, and it's pretty clean. And the motor runs pretty mint, so I think I'm just gonna clean it up a little and see if I can resell it for a good price. Yeah, that's the plan. So there was a little rust right here, a little hole on the hood, so bonded it up, fixed it up pretty good. Piece of paint. Need to get a new fender because they're rusting right here. And there's a little mark right here. This guy probably hit a pole or something. And it was rusting back here too. So I bonded that up, fixed that up. And this is what I'm gonna work on right now. So a little bit on the back. I'm gonna pop this off and clean that up. So I finished sanding it and bondoing it up. I'm just gonna let this thing cure for a bit, then sand it down perf. Gotta put the bondo on there, just put it on rough so like you can fill in all the cracks and stuff. Cost is coming in, I think. I hear a car outside. So I'm gonna sand this thing, make it look smooth. So I finished all my sanding. Sanded that one right there. And then I sanded down the back. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish it up more. I think this looks the best. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna finish it up more, do more sanding, and probably paint it in the morning before I go to work. Right now I'm working on the exhaust. I didn't have enough pipe to do two dual exit out the back, so I'm converting it 2-to-1, and then it's gonna come out my I have a tips from off my last E46, which is off a Corvette. But yeah, so I'm gonna run. So I went to my work. They had this wide pipe thing right here, so cut it off. Then I welded this elbow and then welded this pipe. And I'm gonna weld the tips on it. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm just gonna weld the tip, then tack weld those pipes in there. Yeah, it should be good. Hopefully it should hold.
Infinity.
So the last bit of welding I gotta do is right here around the bottom, top. It's all in there. So I just gotta make sure it's nice. And then the exhaust is done for now until I delete the cats and the reses. But it is loud, just like a muffler delete, so just gonna tack weld it. This is the finishing product of the exhaust. From 2 to 1 to a fucking bend to Corvette tips. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna work. Now I'm just gonna fire it up, see what it sounds like. Should sound pretty good.